So yeah, usually I wake up around 6:30, 7 a.m. most times. But sometimes when I have like a lazy day, I wake up by 9 a.m. Like especially when I sleep really late, I wake up by 9 a.m. So first when I wake up, what's first thing I do is just to open the curtain so that sunlight can penetrate into the house or my room, because I love the feel of the sunlight coming into my room in the morning. It makes me feel brighten, like it makes my day brighten, or it makes me feel bright, it makes me feel very alive. Next, I just go ahead to make my bed, which is very important to me. So I love to make my bed because I don't like to meet or come back to meet like a scattered room. So I like to make my bed, arrange every other thing I need to arrange, so that, because most times when I come back so tired. I just want to just have my bath and sleep. So when I come back tired, or when I come back, I like to meet like well arranged room, because like I said before, most times I come back from the salon very late, and I also come back tired, or I come back stressed. So yeah, I try to arrange the room before leaving the house. Is the first thing I do. I try to arrange the room. That's after like praying and drinking my water. You guys already know that I like to drink water very early in the morning, but I didn't know when I lost the clip of when I was drinking water. Drinking water is very important. So I love to take, or I love to drink water every morning. After arranging my room, the next thing I love to do is to just have my bath. But before having my bath, I love to brush my teeth first, so that after bathing, we just go ahead to apply my cream. So after having my bath, we just go ahead to apply my cream. Let me know what you do first. Do you brush your teeth before having your bath, or you have your bath before brushing your teeth? For me, I love to brush my teeth first before having my bath. And again, I have another question for you guys. How many times do you have your bath in a day? Because I had this conversation or argument with someone, and we're talking about having baths, because for me, I have my bath like twice a day. And for bathing, I don't really do much. What I did, nothing special, just sponge or scrub my body with my bathing gloves. These gloves is so addictive. Like when you start using these gloves, you won't want to use any other thing to like scrub your body. So I love it. For my face, I love to use this pocket tissue. Then next, I use this Nivea deodorant for my underarms. For moisturizing my face, I'm using this simple face moisturizer. I apply just a little product on my face, and then use my hand to spread it around my face. Just little, nothing serious. Lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come wine feel me slowly. So next is my body. I'm just going to be applying body cream, and this is the one I love to use for now. So I use this Nivea Vaseline on my body, just my legs and my hands. I don't like to apply, cream inside my body. You guys already know that about me. If you're an OG, you know that already. I don't really like it because of sweat. It makes me sweat a lot, so I don't apply. And for the record, I have combination skin. I don't have dry skin, it's combination skin. So yeah, if you have dry skin, you have to moisturize your inner body. Oh, please don't follow my footstep. It's because I have combination skin, that's why I can do this and get away with it. And I also like to apply Vaseline on my lips, like this particular body Vaseline. I like to apply it on my lips as well, just to moisturize my lips from breaking. So after this, after moisturizing my body or applying cream on my body, we just go ahead to make my lunch. And my today's lunch, I'm going to be making frying sweet potatoes, and like egg sauce. I lost the clip of where I was making the egg sauce, but yeah, this is how I am actually frying the sweet potato. After preparing my lunch, the next thing is just to take off or go to the salon. So my assistant is not coming today, which is Mary. You guys already know. OGs, you know already that Mary is my assistant, that she has been working with me for a long time. So she's not coming today because she's not so well. She's literally not feeling so well. So I'm going to be doing everything myself. But I was so fast. I had to just off the camera to just quickly because I had the client that will be coming very soon, and I also have like videos to film as well. So I didn't film the part where I was cleaning the shop and arranging the shop and preparing the shop for the day. So I filmed about two different videos, the recoil video and also the completion of revamping treatment of hair, so that I'll be uploading on YouTube. So during the process of arranging, that's after the filming of the two videos, during the process of arranging the shop and just to make everywhere look clean, the sales rep actually came in, and her name is Joy. So she decided to film videos for Instagram for the products, that's the hairs that we are selling. So yeah, I'm just going to allow you guys just watch and see how we do the Instagram reels. So this is how we do it, you guys. Like you just stay like this and then move gradually so that it will fall gradually like this. Okay, for shoulder. Like this. Like this. Is this how you? You're not shaking, you're just see. Watch me, you're not shaking, just okay.
Come on, guys, this head is giving anti-vibes. So sorry, pardon my English. This is giving rich anti-vibes, guys. So this is exactly what I'm holding here, but this is in the longer length. This one is short. So guys, you have them in different lengths, whichever one you want. We have frontals, we have cruisers, we have, guys, we have them in different lengths, whichever one you want. Just DM us and we'll get it to you straight up, guys. And don't forget our shop, our address is at New Barnet Plaza, FA62. Do well to patronize yourselves. Abuja, Nigeria, or Abuja with day, guys. Abuja with day. Do well to patronize. So don't play, guys. Don't play. You know you're gonna learn. You're gonna learn the hard way. Oh. So do well to patronize us. Don't worry, guys. What this hair is giving. Alright now. See you guys in my DM, okay? Bye. Hey, Jesus! I had to learn the hard way.
Okay. This one you can edit, you can. So
this one, right?
This style. Nobody's looking like you can go back and edit.
So there's nothing like just okay.
Oh, nothing I'm still doing. So yeah, guys, I am practically done with everything I'm supposed to do today. So I did a lot. I filmed like 2 videos. I did like revamping video and also like a JHERI coil video, which I'm going to be uploading very soon. I don't know if the videos are going to go up before this particular video or this particular one will go before those other videos, those 2 videos. And we also did like a shoot. So yeah, that's practically it for today. So I'm just going to wait till like around 7 and then close the salon and go home to rest. Right now I'm so tired. It's written on my face. I'm tired. I'm like very, very, very tired. So I think I'm going to be ending the vlog here, and yeah, I want to be vlogging these days. So yeah, if you like this video, just give it a big thumbs up. If you want to be seeing vlogs, if you want to be seeing me vlogging my day-to-day activities in the salon and my run arounds, just let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, I will talk to you guys. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Magic, can you turn that look to
Come make you see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, and we turn the clock together. Come make us